Hey, how's it? What's up, y'all? I'm Dan at dansvideoreviews.com. Today I'll be reviewing Profit Paster software from PlusRich, the vendor. Profit Paster is a relaunch of a previous program that was very successful called DocDollars. It's a Google Docs trick that makes $493 per day. If this is something that interests you, then stay tuned because I'm going to go into more detail about Profit Paster. But before I get into all of that, let me show you my fantastic, crazy, insane bonuses that you'll be getting from me for free for purchasing Profit Paster using the link that is here in the description of this video. Profit Paster launches on Monday, the 21st of March at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Uh, well, again, if this is something you'll be interested in getting, then stay tuned. I'll be showing you a demo of Profit Plaster and my awesome bonuses. Let's go to my bonus page and let's see. You're going to get bonus number 1, which is access to Enigma. And this is available for the first 12 hours only. Thereafter, it's gone. And then you're going to get bonus number 2, which is accelerate your traffic with Bing. And this shows you how to get more traffic with Bing ads. Also going to get bonus number 3, which is content curation. This will help you get organized before presenting your content. You're also going to get bonus number 4, which is get Gemini. And this is for crypto transactions. You're also going to get bonus number 5, which is access to the vendor bonuses. And this one speaks for itself. Before I take you to the sales page for Profit Plaster, I'll be showing the members area and what to expect inside of Profit Plaster. Paster. so there we go. Profit Paster. Let's see. Just let me get organized here. Here's how it works. Simply head to a single portal and grab a few lines from some Google Docs. Then you paste them into this powerful software. And it instantly builds a done-for-you traffic affiliate website with review video, bonuses, and more. All done for you just by copying and pasting from a simple doc. Then you share these sites to 60 social networks and blast them to their secret traffic source. Best of all you need to do is to copy from a few secret docs, paste into the software, and it does the rest. Profit Paster works in 2 areas and makes bonus pages. Now this is one that gets made with pre-made. Here's one of them. And there's 30 of them done for you, different affiliate funnels that you can create with these bonus pages. So you can make these bonus pages and share them and get traffic to them and make affiliate commissions by promoting these programs. Or you can promote any program on any affiliate network. The only thing is that you're going to have to be approved to promote these. And I've got a method that teaches you how to get approved for these affiliate networks. So the vendors will approve you, and that's for Warrior Plus and JV Zoo, because you can do this with any Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, or ClickBank offer. These are the done for you videos. There's a video
Hey, hello and welcome to the Affiliate Funnel Bots training video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how Affiliate Funnel Bots works and how you can get started. So firstly, congratulations and welcome to the funnel.
That's the video, and here's the page. Let's just have a look at one of the pages. This is what it looks like. This one needs some upgrading. Okay, let's just return back there where we were. But basically, this is how it works. It's taking long to load. There we go. There, the videos are back. Let me just go here then. Takes you here. How to remix your business. And then there's a video that starts playing.
Do you want to make money in 2021 with a new remixing technology that lets you make sales, get traffic, build a list, and sell unlimited digital products on unlimited done-for-you websites up to 1,000 times faster than before? So you can find...
Okay, there we go. So, pardon me, I'm just looking for stuff here. So, let's see where we... Oh, I'm looking for this. This is the sales page. It says here, profit paster, $4.93 a day. Clickbank commissions. And it says beta testers made $110 within 24 hours using this. Copy from Google Doc, then paste into the app, and then profit. So here's a video that will explain it all. This is where you click to get instant access after you've clicked on the link in my description below. It will take you to my bonus page that will in turn take you to Profit Paster. Let me take you just quickly to my bonus page. And I'm looking for the prices and the OTOs. Here there are prices and upsells. The front end you can get for $15. $15 to get access to the powerful profit-based software and training modules. The core the core software that turns a few lines from docs into an instant commission generating website preloaded with done-for-you $500 a day campaigns on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. All your customers need to do is copy a few words from simple docs and paste into the software, and that's it. Then you get upsell number one is Pro $47. That goes for $47. You can create websites for unlimited campaigns. Upsell number two is the Done For You edition. And then upsell number three, the Pure edition. Upsell number four is the Affiliate edition. You can unlock more affiliate campaigns so your website has the best chance of you making money. Then there's upsell number five. Earn commissions on the front end with this powerful software tool. Then there's upsell number 6, Automation Edition. Get access to all of the software tools in one exclusive bundle, and then There's evergreen, set it up once, continue profiting. Some key benefits. Get paid $493 every day to copy and paste 50 words. 14 beta testers made money with this within the first 24 hours. Beta testers made $110 per day. It shows the case studies, and there's no experience required. Works on any devices, zero extra expenses, and they're profiting with nothing but Profit Paster. And then there's a new 900 million traffic source. You fast track to the laptop lifestyle. Plus, get results or get paid $200. All of this is covered by no questions asked, 30-day money back guarantee. So, here are my bonuses again. You get Enigma and accelerate your traffic with Bing, then content curation hack and Gemini. And then access to all the vendor bonuses. By clicking on this blue button here, you get instant access to all of the bonuses from me. And that is it.